So, okay everybody, I hope you all enjoyed the Energizer everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so everybody, as you people enjoy everyday Energizers, I have one question for you all. Everybody, do you think that it is also very important to enjoy in our career also? By the way, is it possible to enjoy in our career?
Yes, it is possible.
Yes, it is possible. Could you please share how it is possible?
Sir, if we are doing any job,
Yes.
so there should be an interest in that job. If we are interested, then obviously we will enjoy.
Absolutely right. If you will be interested for that job, then of course you will be happy in that job, in that career also. Okay, that is why everybody, today it is our next topic, career exploration. Now, I have one question for you all everybody. Could you please share that what did you eat in your breakfast? Let's listen this time to Anushka. Yes, Anushka, you can share.
Sir, I ate bread, jam, 2 eggs and milk.
Okay, you ate bread, jam and 2 eggs. Okay, if you are telling that you ate bread, could you please share that you ate bread to provide you this food? Is there any career involved?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please share. How many
Sir,
types of career are involved there?
Yes. Sir, bread and jam, we buy both of these things from the shop.
Yes,
And the shopkeeper is doing a business.
absolutely right.
So, business is a career.
Okay.
And we get our eggs from the poultry farm.
Yes,
So the people who are working in the poultry farm also have a job, and the
Absolutely
person who owns the poultry farm is running a business.
absolutely right.
There is also a career there.
Awesome answer, Anushka. Let's move ahead. By the way, is there anybody else who would like to add something else? Was there any another career also?
There are so many people who are working in the factory. They're
Yes.
preparing the breads
Yes.
and packaging.
Yes.
Then somebody is selling that. So there are so many careers in this also.
Absolutely right. The first Anushka shared people do business as a shopkeeper and from poultry farm also. And now she shared that people work in factories also. Yes, both the answers are correct. Fantastic answer. Now, people, I have one question. Could you please guess from where did it grow? From where did the food grow? As we are talking about bread, then from where did it grow?
Sir,
This time we can listen to Shashi.
sir, bread is made from wheat,
Yes,
and wheat is grown in fields, and farmers are working in that field.
absolutely right. For growing that food, farmer worked. Do you think that after that, did they converted in something? Yes, this time we listen to Suman. Okay, can you please share that how do we prepare the bread?
So there are so many people who are working in the bakery. They
Okay.
prepare the breads, like they will use the wheat and
Okay.
they will keep it in the oven. And there are so many steps. After that, they will prepare a bread slice.
Absolutely right. Miss, they use the wheat also. Can you please share that from where wheat grow?
It grows in field.
It grows in field. Do you think that there is also some career
Yes.
in the field? Of course,
Farmers are working hard and they are growing
absolutely
wheat
right.
and rices.
Absolutely right. Farmers are working there, and after that, everybody they will change it in flour. And after that, do you think that did you get in package or not? Yes, everybody. Do you get the bread in package?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you get in package, everybody. Then do you think that there is also some careers for packaging that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for that also there are some of the careers. And after that, from where did you buy that?
Sir, I bought the bread from a shop.
Okay, you bought from the shop. As Anushka shared in the starting that shopkeepers do business with that. Is it? Great. And do you think that how did it come from the factory to the shop? Can you please answer? This time we can listen to Shashi. Yes, Shashi, you can answer.
So, sir, the bread, the companies that make the bread transport them to local businesses.
Okay, means they transported that bread in the local businesses. So you may have lots of careers in your mind, everyone, but it is not necessary that you are going to choose your career from those only. That is why this lesson is going to help you to know some of the more careers which you know and which you don't know also. Are you all ready to know some more careers, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great.